Alright, well, it's been a while since I've done one of these. Now guys, if my audio sucks, it's because I lost my lavalier microphone and all I have is this really crappy boom mic, so just bear with me. But I kind of want to talk to you guys about the status of myself along with what's going on with this channel. Now guys, I've been doing YouTube for maybe 2 years now, and since those 2 years I've kind of learned and developed, and I always work from home. And I realized the importance of getting an office. So right now I'm actually in the process of getting an office because I find myself always working. You know, I'm always working from home. I go to the kitchen, I play a video game, I go back to work, and it's all intertwined together. So I'm really working on separating personal with work. And you as developers and designers know that's a struggle. You know, it can be really hard to separate both, especially when you work around your house. So if you are working out of your house, I recommend getting an office space because right now I'm in the process of finding an office space to work out of. Second off, I'm actually looking for the update of Gutenberg. Myself and other developers and other theme companies are really eyeing the project Gutenberg because it's going to change the interface of WordPress. So basically, me putting out all these tutorials are going to be a little outdated very quickly. So that's why I'm kind of slowing down to see what WordPress does. And there's a lot of pressure on WordPress. You know, every company's looking at them right now, including myself, because I'm kind of wondering what's going to change in Divi, what's going to change in Elementor. And I've talked to a lot of these companies and they don't even know themselves. So everyone's kind of like crossing their fingers and looking like what's going to happen here. But guys, I'm sure it's all going to work out. It's all just like hype and it's all scary. It'll all be over once the project's released. So that's why I'm kind of like slowing down my tutorials. And let's talk about tutorials that I do have coming out. Now guys, I realize that my audience is evolving. You guys are becoming more advanced and you want to see more focused tutorials. I do have some tutorials coming out, like a real estate website with the IDX integration, which is basically an integration for real estate like agents that kind of pull real-time rates to your website. And I'm also focusing on like maybe even like car dealerships websites, Amazon affiliate websites. I'm trying to focus more on actual like descriptive tutorials rather than just like Divi and Elementor, because I know that most of you know Divi and Elementor. They're my top 2 favorite page builders. Divi is probably one of my favorite, along with Elementor being the best free page builder. So I am working on that, and I'm just kind of like, you know, seeing what I can do. I'm also getting companies involved in my channel. So basically, official companies are actually going to kind of help me with their plugins and have a chance to be featured on my channel. Because guys, I'm just the middleman here. You know, I really am, and these developers have all the talent. So I'm kind of like trying to get them to go on my channel and kind of talk about their plugins and their themes and maybe show how to use it to get them involved as well on my channel. And you know, guys, I don't say this enough, but I really want to thank you guys all. You know, I never really say it too much, but the way the channel has grown over 2 years is just astronomically fast. And I realized today that I have a responsibility to provide better quality content and better stuff. Guys, when I first started, like I would like alt tab my video games. Like it was so bad. I was like, dude, I can't believe I did that, you know? And now I realize that I have an audience and I realize that I have a responsibility to provide the highest quality content possible and to really get into topics that are very important and also difficult. You know, I think the last one with the WHMCS was a great success that we had with Name Hero, where they basically came in and showed how to use WHMCS because that was a very complicated subject, and NameHero.com really stepped it up and, you know, taught it on my channel. I'm also looking to do similar things like that as well. So again, guys, I really just want to thank you all for watching my channel and, you know, the support I get. I really look at every comment, guys. I really go through each and every one, and I really look at what people think and what people say and what they like, what they don't like. Except for those crazy comments, you know, where people start to tell me to kill myself, you know. Like, guys, I don't take anything personal. I just laugh and I just, oh, this guy's crazy. I never take anything personal. So I had like some lady out there saying like, hey, like fighting back for me. I'm like, don't, it's okay. Like I get this all the time, you know. So again, guys, I really want to thank you for watching this channel. I will have some amazing tutorials coming out. I do have some things in the works right now, but unfortunately, I'm not allowed to talk about them because they're in beta. And I promised the developers I wouldn't talk about them, but they are going to be big. So again, make sure to subscribe and make sure to keep watching the channel because you guys are about to see some amazing tutorials coming out very soon again. So thanks guys for watching my channel. I'm so grateful and so happy that you guys watch it. I can't say it enough, and I'll see you guys all later. Take care.